Hey, my sweethearts, good morning. How are you? Today is Monday, the first day of the week. Monday, 13th of April 2020. Very good. So, we're going to start today with our math class, okay? We're going to make a review so very fast for you because you have to remember what we learned. So, first, we're going to see the coins so very fast. You are going to say me, please, with me. Díganlo conmigo. 1 penny worth 1 cent. 1 nickel worth 5 cents. And 1 dime worth 10 cents. So we have here our coins, okay? We use the coins to buy. Utilizamos las monedas para comprar. Okay, so look at here. We're going to review very fast the numbers. We're going to count by tens. I know that you can do it. You're very smart. So we count together 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We count to 100. Very good. And now we're going to begin with our homework. I'm going to help you with your homework, okay? You have to watch the video. Look at here. We have here our homework. Vamos a hacer juntos. We're going to make it together, okay? So, please pay attention. We're going to write by tens, okay? This is fun with numbers. We are going to write by tens. So, listen to the teacher. So, then comes 10. I help you the two squares more. 10, 20, 30. Then comes 70, 80, and 100 on here. I know that you can do it by yourselves. Sé que lo pueden hacer solitos. Now, the last part. Esta parte es muy divertida y muy chévere porque todos son muy creativos y especiales. So, follow the dots by tens. Color the picture. So, we're going to follow the dots. We're going to start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We're going to follow the dots and then we color the picture. La vamos a colorear súper bien como los artistas que son, okay? This is the page 86, okay? Remember it. Les quiero mucho, espero que hayan tenido un hermoso fin de semana y pues hoy es nuestro primer día de clase. Ya nos vemos luego. Un abrazo, mis corazones. A big hug for you.